This is the Logitech MX Master 3S, the mouse I've chosen for video editing. It's an upgraded version of the MX Master 3, featuring improved quiet click buttons and an 8000 dpi sensor. While I already use a few mice for different tasks, the Logitech MX Vertical for office work, the Logitech G502 Hero for gaming, and the compact Logitech M590 for on-the-go productivity, I still felt the need for a dedicated mouse for editing my videos. After some research, I think I finally found my perfect editing mouse. In this video, let's unbox it, take a closer look at its specs, explore its highlights and discuss some tweaks. And as always, a quick disclaimer, this video is not sponsored. I bought this mouse myself and everything I share here is my honest opinion. But if you want to support the channel, a like and a sub would be highly appreciated. That said, let's get right into it. Alright, here we have the MX Master 3S Master Series by Logitech, a mouse which I think can support me in video editing because of this special wheel here. The packaging is grey, the mouse is grey inside. Then we have here a description. On the back side we have the compatibility list, so Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Chrome OS, iPad OS, Android, so every operating system should be covered here. Then we have also here a short description of the advantages like the quiet quick and the 8K DPI sensor, plus a MagSpeed scroll wheel that speeds up your workflow. It's comfortable because it is designed so it's very ergonomical, plus it has a precise and ultra fast movement on any surface. And in the center is the mouse. So we have here the mouse, as you can see, nothing else. It's minimalistic. There is almost, this is plastic, but there is almost no plastic. This is cool. Here you have the optional dongle, so you can use it with a USB-A type dongle or without it, just with Bluetooth. And then we have here, I think, a user manual. You can get for sure a USB-A cable to USB-C to charge the mouse, because it's running on a rechargeable battery. And then here, the manual, there they explain how to handle the mouse. There are some kind of safety instructions, I think, and guarantee. And here you have another advertisement which other products can be used from Logitech here in combination with this mouse. Nothing else is in this package, so we can get rid of it and focus on this lovely mouse. So before you remove this sticker here, there is an instruction how to connect the mouse via Bluetooth or via the Logi Bolt dongle here. So it's quite simple. So basically there is an on-off switch. Then you have to search for your Bluetooth connection, find the mouse, and then you just pair it. The same works with the dongles, but there is one step more. You have to insert the dongle in a USB-A port. Then you switch the button on and you can find the dongle, and then you're connected via the dongle and Bluetooth as well. Alright, so let's remove this. So the first thing which is directly visible and I really like is the color of this mouse. It has a black anthracite silver shiny look. So this is really cool here on the bottom and here as well. And when I just try it out here, yeah, it feels very good. So the hand is directly on the mouse and it rests on the mouse, so it's not too flat, it's not too big, so I really like it. And also this wheel on the side with which you can move the timeline, I assume in DaVinci Resolve. This is very comfortable and nice to reach. Also those two buttons and also the clicks, they are slightly recognizable but not really. And I like the scroll wheel. You can do a fast scrolling here with this wheel. But you can hear it's not totally seamlessly, there are breaks in between, but I really like this because then you can adjust it by yourself, or when you do it quickly, it scrolls very fast. Okay, on that side you have two more buttons here for the thumb and this also cool scroll wheel which helps you for sure in a lot of situations when you work on your PC, Mac or other device. And here you can see the USB-C port. Here you can charge your mouse directly with this cable. Plus it's not in the way when you want to use it via the cable and charge it simultaneously. That's great. Alright, all the necessary items are in the box. I would say after showing you theoretically how to connect the mouse, let's pair it here with my MacBook Pro M4. For that, we will make sure that the mouse is fully charged. You can simply plug it in here at the front, and then you will see this status LED indicating when it's fully charged. And you know what comes to mind? Can this mouse also be used via this USB-C cable directly connected to the notebook? Let's try it out. Well, apparently this is not a feature this mouse comes with, so it only charges via this cable. Okay, now switch on the mouse with this button on the bottom. Now this white LED light shows the connection status with your computer. This indicates that it is not yet connected to any device. As you can see, there are numbers 1 to 3 and some computer icons are also there. This means you can connect this mouse to up to 3 devices, such as a personal laptop, an office computer and an iPad. All you need to do is pair it with each device once and then you can switch between them anytime. However, to connect this mouse to a device, simply hold down this button on the bottom here for a few seconds until it blinks even faster. Now our MX Master 3S is ready for pairing. Let's switch to my MacBook Pro M4, open the Bluetooth settings, search for a new device, and boom, there it is. The mouse is now visible here, and with one simple click it's connected, just like that. As you can see, I can already use it seamlessly on this computer. Oh, and one more thing that just came to mind about the cable. Can I still use the mouse while charging? Let's try it out. And yes, cool, nice feature. This means you can simply continue working even if the battery runs low during your workflow. Alright, let's move on to the other features. Another advantage of this mouse for video editing is button customization. But there is always a but. You need separate Logitech software for that. At first I thought G-Hub would handle it, but it turns out that that's only for gaming equipment. So I checked the website again and it shows that you need a different software for this mouse called Logi Options Plus. Alright, I don't really get why they can't include everything in a single software, but okay, let's download it and check out the options we have. I would say this is very useful for assigning specific function to buttons. All in all, you could customize 6, such as cut, paste, zoom, undo and much more. Especially for video editing, this is cool. But I still need to figure out which setup works best for me. Alright, but for now, let's use this button configuration for DaVinci Resolve. Let's open the software so I can immediately show you the advantages of this mouse. I've just opened my latest project file, the product review of the Lenovo Slim 7X with the Snapdragon X Elite processor. But back to the project. Since the video is almost 30 minutes long, I need to scroll horizontally a lot. Thanks to the side scroll wheel on this mouse, I don't need to manually grab the scroll bar and drag it left or right. I can simply use my thumb to scroll as soon as my cursor is over the timeline. Awesome, I think this is really convenient. It feels just right, and the soft touch material has a very pleasant feel and grip. What took me a bit of time to get used to though is the soft click feel on such a large mouse. So far I've only had that on my portable travel mouse, but I think I will get used to it quickly. The MagSpeed electromagnetic scroll wheel allows ultra fast scrolling with precision mode, switching offering both free spin and ratchet modes. And if you're worried about battery life, don't be. First, the battery lasts very long, up to 70 days on a full charge. And second, it comes with a fast charging option, of course depending on your charger. So all of these points sound awesome, but did I find any downsides as well? Well, Not much. However, when you buy this mouse, you should know it has a specific ergonomic design, and this version is only for right-handed user. As far as I know, there is no left-handed version available. But if you know otherwise, let me know in the comments. Secondly, my gaming mouse comes with additional weights, so I can adjust its heaviness. With this mouse, you stick to the weight it comes with. Not sure if this is important to you, I just wanted to mention it. Also, this mouse isn't optimized for fast-paced gaming due to its lower polling rate, so I don't think I would use it for gaming. That means whenever I want to play a round of Fortnite or Overwatch 2, I still use my G502 Hero. What else? Yes, something I already mentioned during the unboxing. I love the main scroll wheel, especially how it keeps spinning when you push it harder. However, this function isn't included in the side scroll wheel. Not sure why. It's not a must-have for video editing, but it would have been a nice extra feature for me. And as you have already seen, I had to install an additional software, Logi Options Plus. I mean, it's not a big deal, but why do I need a second software besides G-Hub, which I already have installed? Last but not least, this mouse has awesome specs, but that's also reflected in its price. The regular price is around 100 USD or euro, but I got it on Amazon for 84 euros with a 16% discount, and that price hasn't changed since I bought it at the beginning of this year. Still not the cheapest mouse, but the quality is very high, so I think it's justifiable. The Logitech MX Master 3S is an improved version of its predecessor and comes with a lot of useful features for video editors, designers and creatives who need a comfortable, precise and feature-rich mouse. Alright, I hope you've enjoyed this short review of the Logitech MX Master 3S. I will keep using it, and in fact I'm editing this very video with it right now. I would appreciate if you showed your support by hitting the like button, and if you don't want to miss future videos, consider subscribing. It would mean a lot. Thanks so much for watching, take care, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next one.